Hey guys, what is up? I know you guys must be wondering how the hell am I managing to post so many videos in such a short span of time. Well, it's because I have a week off and I thought what better way to spend it than to dedicate it to my lovelies. So ever since I've started this channel, I think I've managed to maintain this air of mysterious voodoo silence when it comes to a more personal side of my life, or so I think. Me having this week off could be a great opportunity for me to bore you with some unprecedented get to know me session. So to give you a heads up, I am going to be sharing 10 things that I could come up with about myself. I thought I would clear all your doubts about a lot of things that you are curious about me. So the first thing that came into my mind when I was thinking about making this video was to make some of those doubts that everybody seems to have about my medical life, or the fact that whether I gave NEET UG, what was my score and what college I'm in and stuff like that. I've already mentioned this, by the way, in a previous video of mine. It seems to have gotten lost. Right, so I think I should mention it again. So yes, I am in a government college. It's ESIC Medical College. Another thing that I should address is my NEET score. So I got 525. It was average, which is what I would define my preparation as at the time. And I was a fresher, so I gave it in 2015 after completing my 12th. Yeah, that's about it. My home is in Dehradun. My parents live in Dehradun right now, and I live in campus alone in my room, which doesn't sound sad at all. So I love getting tattoos, and I have 4 tattoos, and I love dyeing my hair. I have, I think, tried every color that I can think of. So mostly it's believed that getting a tattoo or getting your hair colored when you're a doctor is unprofessional and a very unorthodox thing to do. And yes, it's actually very easy to be deemed unprofessional if you have them at the wrong places, which is very flashy or something like that. The main thing I think here is to act professionally and to carry yourself in a way that does justice to this noble profession that we are pursuing. I know a lot of people who are doctors and they have tattoos on their body, and it's not at all a very unlikely thing. I'm a big clean freak. I like things clean. I like things organized.
Not just health department clean, Monica clean.
Even though I may make a mess in my cupboard or somewhere that I cannot see. So I don't have dinners. I usually eat something around 6 p.m. or 6 or 7 p.m. and that's about it for me. I don't usually go for late dinner specifically, or eat something after 8 p.m. I avoid that. So I am very bad at giving directions, and I suck at it is the word for it. If there was a thing called a human compass, I would be at the bottom of the barrel of that category. It's not like I'm bad at geography. I am good at geography. I know a lot of places. I just don't know how to get there. So that's the main problem here. One of these days I'm going to master the skill. In my free time, these days, I mostly record a video. By the way, I consider free time the time when I'm not studying. Secondly, I've also started reading a lot again. I take this pandemic as a blessing because a lot of habits that I had, given up, substituted them for going out. When it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, when it comes to a choice between going to the gym and going for a yoga session, I would always choose yoga, hands down. I hope that you won't judge me or laugh a lot at this. I know you're going to laugh, but try not to. I don't like rotis, and a lot of people that I meet find this the most unusual thing. I have survived without eating rotis every day. I do eat rotis once in a while, but it's not something that is like a 3 times in a day meal sort of thing for me. So when I was thinking about 10 things that I should share about myself, one of the things that also came up in my mind was the fact that it's very hard for me to let things go. So when I set my mind to something, I have to make it happen somehow. But sometimes it's also important to cut your losses. So I seem to not understand that a lot of times. It gets a little bratty and obnoxious. So I wouldn't consider it but think all the time. So this is something that I would not advise anyone. You have to give it up because it's not helping you in any way, and understanding that when to take care of yourself becomes important. It's very important to be rational in these sort of things. So I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.